recording this one, Craigle Plus.
Oh, fucking hell. Oh, fucking hell. Non-AP, that's all I wanted. Does anyone else see that?
Oh, you have to let that charge.
Yeah.
Oh, that's something.
Oh, fucking god.
We got this. Focus, yeah.
Yeah. I did. Dead. I don't know why we started fighting.
Oh my god, everybody's dying!
Quick's not there.
Oh my god. You can't sue me. I can't buy shoes. Oh wait, I didn't say shoe me. It's that.
He's like,
yes!
Stun.
So, oh, go on, Greg, get the penta.
I'm going for it.
Yes!
Oh, you stole them. Oh, what about?
Don't make it.
Oh.
Dane, I'll tell you how to turn people down in Discord in a minute. We've all gone on 5%. Someone tell Greg I've muted him.
Worth it. Oh my god, you flashed for that.
Can you still hear him, Craig?
Yeah, I didn't mute him. I muted him and I can still hear him. That's hilarious.
Hey, Craig! Hey!
I can hear him through someone else's mic. That's hilarious. This is my next ADC.
Excuse me.
Extra.
Yeah.
Zerath. Don't say Exarath. That's not a thing. Exarath is not a thing.
It is a thing.
It's not like Exarath with eczema.
It is. I have
It's
eczema.
not. Eczema spelled with an E!
And then a C.
It's called an xylophone, is it? It's a xylophone.
No.
It's not an xylophone,
We
no.
just thought horribly wrong with the
oh, Volvo education. Education, yeah, BTEX. Oh, the ult! Oh, the secondary ult! Oh, woof! Oh, woof! Oh, woofing hell.
I got an assist on everybody.
Oh my god! Hey, naughty. Get him! Get him! Get him!
I stunned him.
Oh, catch me outside! How about that?
Sorry, guys.
Oh. Thingy.
I know.
Health thingy, Jace. Health thingy. You guys stop! Let Jace live! It's
Yeah,
damage.
it's the same flat.
It doesn't look like it ever.
Get away from my tower.
They're the minions and they can't do shit. That chain thing is just disgusting. Bloody blanket. You heal and then you go golden.
Yay!
Oh! Oh, great new maid! Feed the poros quickly. Everyone's got two now. Feed that big fat fucker. Look at him. He's gagging for it. He wants it.
Fed him. It's gone back.
Just about to launch it.
It's come back.
Jay's just about.